Hi guys, I was gifted this fan so I could install it for you and show you all its cool features. It does have solid wood fan blades, so these are nice. They're way better than that flimsy like particle board ones that most fans come with. I'm going to go ahead and install it and I'll show you those steps and then we'll show you the operation at the end, so keep watching. Okay, so these are all the pieces to the fan. I always like to put them out and put the fan together while it's on the ground, and then put the hanger up on the ceiling, and then hang the fan, and then wire it in, and then you're done. It's a very simple process. The cool thing about this fan is it does come with two hangers. One's a 5-inch and one's a 10-inch. And here's those solid wood blades. Wanted to show you both sides of them here, what they look like. They're gorgeous. And it does come with two remotes, one that you'd mount on the wall, another one you could just have on a bedside stand or whatever. I got the light housing on, just screws on with 3 screws. This light, the light bulb, it has magnets on the back, so it just magnets to this metal piece. And here's the connector right here. And we have this cover that just goes on there and then screws into place. Now I'm gonna put on the down rod next. All right, I got the down rod attached and got the set screws put in and the pin with the cotter pin all done. So that goes on like this, and then we go hang this on the hanger and wire it up. Like I said, it's a very simple installation. So I'm gonna go put the hanger, which is right here, on the ceiling. And after I got that up, I'll show you what it looks like after I hang it. Okay guys, we got the fan all installed. It looks fantastic with those solid wood fan blades. It does come with 2 remotes, and that's nice. Let me show you how there's different modes of light color. So there's that, which is more orange. And it's another bright one. So looks like there is 3 different colors of light, and you can also dim it too. So we can dim the light, or we can make it brighter. It also has a timer function. So if you click that, after 5 minutes, that light will turn off. So if you're like getting ready to go into bed, you can just have your fan on and click that button right there. So then in 5 minutes, the light will turn off and the fan will stay on. There is 6 different speeds of the fan. There's 1 through 6, 6 being the fastest. It also has a timer here for 1, 4, 8 hours. So if you want it to turn off in 8 hours, you can do that. This button right here in the center will make it change the direction, whether you want the fan to blow down or blow up. So it's got a ton of cool features here. If you want to just turn the light off, you can also do that. So that's the light off and fan still running. So it's a pretty cool fan. So if you guys need a cool fan like this one with the solid blades and the 2 remotes, go ahead and get it. It's gonna look great in your room. Thanks.